Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the jaw-dropping world of hypercars with the 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon. This latest marvel from Bugatti is more than just a car, it's a statement of engineering brilliance, design elegance, and cutting-edge technology. The name, Tourbillon, draws from the world of luxury watchmaking, referring to a rotating mechanism that improves precision. That's fitting, because this machine is all about precision and performance at the highest level. The Bugatti Tourbillon was unveiled in 2025 as the successor to the Bugatti Chiron. It's not just a new model but a reinvention of what a hypercar can be. Developed in France by the iconic Bugatti brand, now under the Remitz Group, the Tourbillon marks a shift toward hybrid power without sacrificing raw performance. The Tourbillon combines a screaming naturally aspirated V16 engine developed with Cosworth and a powerful tri-motor electric system, delivering a total output that exceeds 1800 horsepower. This makes it one of the fastest and most powerful production cars in history. Bugatti, a brand synonymous with French luxury and speed, has kept the manufacturing of the Tourbillon in France, but the car has quickly become a global phenomenon. The United States, the United Arab Emirates, and China are among the countries where the Tourbillon is in high demand, thanks to their thriving luxury car markets. Wealthy collectors and performance enthusiasts in these regions have snapped up allocations, contributing to its massive popularity. In terms of performance, the Tourbillon is on another level. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds and can reach a top speed well beyond 250 miles per hour. It's equipped with advanced active aerodynamics, all-wheel drive, and a sophisticated suspension system that makes it as agile as it is fast. Despite its staggering power, it's surprisingly efficient for a hypercar, thanks to the electric motors that assist in low-speed driving and regenerative braking. Fuel efficiency isn't the focus here, but the hybrid system allows it to deliver improved mileage over its predecessor, especially during city driving. Its electric-only mode also means the car can be driven short distances without using a drop of fuel, adding an element of practicality to its extreme nature. What really sets the Tourbillon apart are its key features. The interior blends timeless analog elegance with futuristic innovation, including a crystal-clear mechanical instrument cluster, premium materials like titanium and carbon fiber, and an aircraft-inspired steering wheel. Outside, the design is aerodynamic art, sleek, muscular, and unmistakably Bugatti. The starting price for the 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon is around $3.8 million, but with limited production and high customization options, the final price can go much higher. The exclusivity alone makes it a prized possession among the elite. The Tourbillon's biggest selling point is that it offers the soul of a classic Bugatti with the heart of the future. It's not just about going fast, it's about redefining what's possible in a luxury performance vehicle. This is automotive craftsmanship at its absolute peak. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hypercar content.